Hi Ben. So this is our new house, everyone.
I'm just like you every morning.
And this is Alex. Ow.
I do every morning.
How dare you!
So guys, we're gonna go and observe Alex's new creation, which we will be playing after the video. Right, so it's night time. So guys, back in a minute. So everybody, we have now been running around for a long time, and now it is time to go. Okay then, let's just.
Oh no more cake sweat.
Come on everyone, we've got capes. Come on.
My cake's wet.
I know mine's dragging me down because it's so soggy and it's dripping.
I know. Oh, oh.
And here's Ben. Hello Ben.
Yo.
So guys, I'm gonna pause the video and wait till Ben gets in the game. So guys, Ben is now in the game. Say hello, Ben. Right, so guys, we're gonna run over to here and observe Alex's creation. Let's call it. So let's just walk over this lily pad. So guys, Alex has built like this slot machine. You can get these items. Let's just move back so you can see them. So you can get a diamond, emerald. So you can get a diamond, emerald, a iron ingot, cooked pork chop, coal, and soul sand. So we're gonna have a go at this at the end of the video. So guys, in the meantime, let's go on an adventure with our horses. So guys, we're gonna run. We're gonna run. Guys, follow me. There is a lily pad bridge over here. You can just walk over. Everyone's like having a race to the house.
I won.
So we're gonna take down here. Right, get your horse, guys. Yep, this is mine.
Is mine. Take him off the leash, boys.
Okay, mine's on the leash.
I need my leash.
Right, we have now got our leashes. So yeah, guys, let's meet in front of the house. Well, not directly in front, but you know what I mean.
I'm already drawn.
Oh, hello. Oh God, Ben's horse was doing some kind of gymnastics. So where's Ben Davis? Right, we're gonna go and meet Ben Davis over there. Right, come on, everyone, follow me. Follow me, everyone, and we will go on an adventure.
Your cakes are all glitching out, by the way.
I know, yeah. Mine's flying everywhere.
I'm going in the same direction. It's not even stopping.
Now, mine just went round my neck.
Mine's strangling me.
Same.
Oh, my horse. Oh no.
Oh, crap, my cake was spinning that fast and looked like a flash.
Oh God. Someone help. Help.
He's so boy.
Horses can run across one block water. Yeah.
You can. I didn't even know that. I was just agreeing with Alex.
Thanks for your help. No.
Oh no.
Oh God. Right. Everyone, I've got 9 pieces of dirt. Handwork. I'm across.
I'm with Alex right now.
Right, guys. What did I just see?
Guys, the quest is to find a village.
Yep.
Teleport on.
No.
Oh no. Oh. Ah.
Oh, Oh god, I'm getting sick already.
Oh no! 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 No!
What do you mean, no?
Wanna be a hero.
Come on! Yes, horse! You're wicked.
William, by the way, you can drive horses with a lead across, like, deep waters. With a lead, you can drag them over.
So, guys, our quest today is to find a village. Oh, found a village!
Find it! I was with you, by the way, so I just can't cheat.
Right, I'm taking the stuff from the blacksmith.
The
Oh
blacksmith.
god, I gotta get my map out. I'm really far away from you guys.
Right, we gotta get over this.
Of course, William's gonna find the village because he's got like the best hunt ever. Oh god.
Right, I'm gonna leave my horse here.
I'm coming across Ben's location right now.
Right, I'm gonna take the loots. Oh,
Oh,
two
my
iron
God,
ingots.
I'm taking a loser. That's what you do every time.
Right, guys, if someone loses their saddle, I've got a spare at hand.
Oh god.
No. Oh, I got 3 apples. 3 apples.
Wait.
So I can feed my lovely.
Game said,
Oh, what's this guy selling?
do it.
Oh, 28 paper for an emerald. It's alright, but it's a rip-off. So, guys,
I'm
meet
raiding this farm.
everyone, meet you.
Where's the wheat farm?
Everyone, meet you at the
How-
house. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
I can see the beacon from where I am right now. Oh, I found Ben.
Oh crap, my horse is dying.
Wait, apples?
Right, I see another village. Oh my god, I found another village. Are you serious?
Really?
Yeah.
How many villages are there?
What do you use to heal horses?
Apples.
Apples. You can use any
Apples.
Any
Can I have one, please?
Yeah, if you come back to the house,
have
yeah,
one.
I'll give you one.
My horse is on a...
Only need the house.
So, guys, back in a minute. Oh god! So, guys, sadly, my horse unfortunately died. So we're gonna have a.
Worst pet owner ever.
So we're gonna have to, you know, have a funeral.
Oh,
So we're gonna gather all of these villagers. I don't know if they want to come, but they're probably interested.
Michael,
Yeah, everyone can come.
you still there? Where the fuck are your horse?
Now I'm trying to find the beacons. Guys, I've literally lost the
I can
You're
beacons.
not even near the beacon. I don't even see you right now. Looking at the map. You're not even getting close.
Oh, come on. Where are they?
I'll get on top of the trees to find you. I just gotta get on one.
Right, I'm losing health fast. Oh, I got some bread. I know bread's a nice snack, but it's not. It's not nice to eat without bread and butter. Without butter.
Nah, I prefer it without butter.
You want some bread?
Yeah, I prefer it.
I don't know. Bread.
Let's end this conversation about bread.
Yeah, let's have a long conversation about bread. Well, it's made from wheat. Farmers grow wheat and then they make bread from windmills.
Yeah.
Basically, it's a long story.
Long story short, farmers are needed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Well, it's a long story short, but farmers do have, you know.
Oh, burn from a lot.
See ya. Well, see me.
Long story short, my mum made bread. Okay?
Yeah, it's a long story, mate.
So long, can't tell you.
Interesting thing.
My horse died.
I got you.
We don't even need that.
Yeah, we need to have a funeral. So, guys, I'm gonna set up the funeral, and I'll be back in a minute.
We are gathered here today to... for God's sake.
I understand, Vicar. I understand, Vicar.
I can't remember. We are gathered here today to pay our respect to Frank People. He was a great person. Hey!
Let's just go home. Come on.
Get changed now. Take it changed.
That was very emotional.
Slap Lord. Slap the dog.
I didn't know that at all.
Oh, I can't bear it.
Where are you going?
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
No, stop machine, stop machine.
Do one thing. Slap machine. Got that.
So, guys, back in a minute.
When will you
Hello, everyone, and welcome to
Stop.
the slot machine.
Ew, stop.
So, guys, as you know, this is the slot machine, Alex's wonderful creation. And today, we are going to, well, win some prizes. So, we're going to be back in a minute. So, guys, as I am doing the YouTube video, I am going to go first. So, guys, what you got to do is, you got to put your gold nuggets into the dropper, and then I get 5 goes. So, number one, what's my item? A pork chop. I'll eat that just now. And then
I want to get my hands on that.
we have some coal. Now, next one. Iron.
Ooh.
Pretty good. We have soul sand. How many goes have we got left? We have 1 go, everyone. 1 go left.
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Ooh. Ah, pork chop.
Yay.
Anyone want a pork chop? It's for free.
Me.
Okay, then you go.
Emerald.
Yes, Alex got a emerald.
Alan.
So come on, Alex. Come on, Alex. You got some iron and some more iron. Yay!
I did the Ronaldo chop on them. Oh.
Bed.
Oh, okay, good.
Nice one, Paul.
Yay!
Nice one, Paul.
Diamond! What you have in your hand?
What do you call?
Diamond!
Yes, Alex got a diamond.
Good.
Okay. Nice.
Nice.
There you go. There you go, then.
Anybody?
Where do I put my nuggets in?
You put it in the dropper.
There.
Where? In the dropper. You can push the button. You got a iron ingot.
Iron. Summary.
No, I got nothing. So there's guys over there. Dude. And you're gonna... I got a
Oh,
diamond.
there you go, Paul shop.
Oh, yeah, shop. But, it's a diamond!
Oh, get emerald.
Emerald! Now, Ben's getting the same as me. It's another diamond! There, that was my go! There, go away!
What? Have you seen
Yeah.
here there?
And that's all my bones gone.
I go.
I got 2 diamonds. Oh, you can make a diamond sword. Oh, yeah. I can do it.
Diamond. Come on.
Oh,
Two. Three. Four. Oh my god, I'm looking for an emerald.
So, is that everyone done?
Yeah.
So guys, what I want you to do is, if you got a diamond block, you will get 5 points. Well, diamond ingot. If you got an emerald, you will get 2 points. If you got an iron block,
No, 4.
you will get 4 points. If you get an iron ingot, you will get 3. If you got a pork chop, you get 2, 1, and then you will get no points if you get the, whatchamacallit? Soul sand. So, count up your points. I got 0, 3, and I had 4. I've got 4. I've got 4. I got 4. I got 4.
5. I got 9 altogether.
So, right, say your numbers. So, Ben Davis.
I'm not sure. I couldn't hear what
So-
you said about.
So the diamond is 5, the emerald's 4, the iron ingot is 3, the pork chop is 2, and then the coal is 1, and then the soul sand is nothing.
Okay, I got 20.
How many did you get?
20.
So Ben got 20. How many did you get, Ben?
5.
You got 5. And then Alex, what did you get?
9.
So the overall winner is, well, the winner will be announced after this short break. Back in a minute. And the winner of the slot machine today is, drum roll please, Ben Davis! And the loser will be announced after this short break. Back in a minute. And for the moment you've all been waiting for, you are going to find out who is the loser. Well, the loser is me.
Who's second place?
Second place was Alex. And third place was Ben Dalby. You guys feel good for yourself and I'll go and weep in a corner somewhere. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And see you in our next video. I want to get everyone in the shot here, so everyone get behind me and say bye. And look up where I'm looking.
Hang on. This is really hard.
Alex, look a bit to your right. Or left. Right, I think we're all looking the same way. Yes, we are. Right, Ben, look a bit right. Both of you, look a bit right.
Ow.
How much?
Bye!